There we go, that's a good fish.
To daddy. That's large.
Right.
Somebody's excited. Alright, we're at a game farm in southern Minnesota. Some people hate game farms, some people love them. I don't care. It's good practice for Gus, good practice for me and my dad. So, game farms, you can shoot roosters or hens, they put both out. So, basically anything that flies dies. So we got 6 birds. If you see more than 6, you still shoot it. You just pay a scratch cost, which is I think a couple dollars cheaper. And yeah. We're excited now. 6 birds. My dad hasn't hunted this year. Obviously, you guys have seen that. I've hunted a couple times this year. He's hunted a couple times this year. Yeah, you. Yeah. We're gonna get her done though. Should be interesting. We'll see you when the birds are out. Here. Come on. Here. Oh, he smells it. I know.
Get up there.
He's fine.
There it is.
Yeah. Here! What?
That guy.
He's leaving. Here! Good boy! Good boy! Here! Gus, here! Go find it. Come on. That thing did not get up.
I know.
What is going on here?
And then it went the other way.
Hang on. Safety won't go down. There it goes. Good boy, Gus. Come here. My feet are already wet. It's supposed to be. Good boy.
What kind of boots are they?
Run fun.
Huh?
Run fun. Good boy. Good boy. It went that way.
Should we go get it or you want us to go to the field? Let's go back.
Yeah. Here. Gus, here. Here.
So I'm gonna go. Where's the wind blowing?
That way.
Where do you want me to go?
Doesn't matter.
Upside or downside?
Here. Up to you. Good boy.
Go
Good boy.
downside.
Okay.
So you take him to that first trail. Cut.
Yeah.
And I'll
Gus, here. Here. Here.
Where's the first trail at?
Gus, here. Right here. Here.
I'm
Heel.
Yeah.
Heel. Sit.
Okay.
Do what?
I'm gonna stay over here.
Okay, I see one right there. It's right in the middle of the path.
Okay.
Keep coming this way. Keep coming. Right there.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Let me know when you're ready. Alright, let's go. Come on. Here. Gus, here. Here. Come on. Go. Go. it's running. Nope, he's going. Fetch! Fetch! Another one, another one. Fetch! Here! Uh-oh. Fetch! Fetch! Here! Gus, here! Here! He can't pick it up. Gus, here. I am. Here. Good boy. Come on. Here. Gus, here. Come on. Good boy. Here. Yep. Fetch. 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 Yes. Here. Yep. Grab it. Come on. Here. Good boy. Grab it. Here. Yep. Here. Good boy. Here. Here. Good boy. Drop. 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 Here. 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 Good boy. Good boy. No. The other one on that row went higher up. Good boy. Good boy. Leave it. Good boy. All right, well, there we go. Hang on. I hit the other one because it fell. Call him. Here. I am. That's why I said here. Gus, here. Here. Good boy. Here. 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 Good boy. Here. Here. Here! No bird! Here! Here! That thing was right in my face. Good boy. Sit. Sit. Did you see that? That thing was right here.
Yeah, I didn't shoot because that was like...
I know. God damn it. Good boy. That thing was burrowed in there, huh? Where'd it go? On the hill? On that side? Hey, Gus, good boy. Good boy. Go. Good boy. Right there. Dad, right here. Right here. He's on it. Yeah, Gus, hey, fetch. I can see its tail sticking out. Gus, is it dead? Oh no, it ain't. Oh, it's dead. Gus, fetch. Hup. Hey. Gus, fetch. Here. There you go. Fetch. Fetch. No, Gus, fetch. Oh. Wolf. Good boy, leave it. I'm gonna. Oh, that stinks. Call him. No, leave it. Here.
Here. Gus, here. Gus, here.
Alright, let's
You gotta take a bite of that.
Good. Good. Leave it. Leave it. Good boy. Yeah. Here. Oh. Get it. Get it. Here. Gus, here. Huh? The rooster I shot? Oh. Good boy. Get it, Gus! Get it! He's got it. Fetch! Fetch! He's got it right there. Good boy! Here! Good boy! Here! Here! Good boy! Gus, here! Here! Come on! Here! Good boy! Good job! Drop. Drop. Yeah! Good boy! Good boy! Here. Heel. 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 Sit. Sit.
Sit. Gus. Hey, Gus. Hey, Gus. Hey, Gusso. Good boy.
God, again, that thing was right in my face.
Yeah, it was low too.
God. Sit.
Better to shoot those though, they get.
I know, that's why I shot the second time. Because I hit him both times, you can tell. Except
But I just didn't, I don't know, because you can tell if it's not dead, it just takes him a while to kind of put it in his mouth
Yeah.
and get a grip on it.
well, that one was dead. It ran like 2 steps and then he bit it and it was dead.
Oh,
Gus, here. Good boy. Good boy. All right. Good boy. So what? 2. Keep him over there for a sec. Two for 4. Sit. Good job, Bubba.
This gut's kind of sticky.
Yeah.
First time I shot it, I was like, bang, and I went slow, and then I shot off.
Next time we go back, I'm gonna grab the over/under, and you take this, and then we'll see what the over/under is like. Cause I was gonna take it yesterday, but I'm like, you say you don't like it, so I just don't trust it.
No, it's a good gun. It's just for me,
Here, Gus, sit. Like this? Like this? Alright, well he's 4 for 4, so that's good. 2 for 4, bringing him back. Gus, here. Good job. That's what I meant, yeah.
Finish off this roll.
Yeah, alright. I was just in that one. Yeah. So you told me to go chase it. Here. Gus, here. Here! Gus, here! Here! Going back to the pen. God, that thing got... Here! That thing got up so low again.
Yeah.
Yo, this safety keeps getting caught. He's on it. Is it dead? Get it! Fetch! Fetch! Fetch, Gus! Get it! Good boy! Come on, get it! Oh, I heard a crunch. Get it! Good boy! Oh, it's so alive. Look at it. Drop. Drop. Ready? Gus, drop. Oh, he's got its head. Leave it. He'll drop. Drop. Leave it.
No, Gus.
Drop.
Okay, you ready?
Sit. Which way?
Towards that way. That over there.
I hope this thing's right.
Ready?
Nope. In theory, yeah, if this thing's correct. Oh my. That thing kicked so hard. Holy. Get it, Gus.
Good boy, Gus.
Holy.
Here.
That thing will kill.
Yeah.
Holy. Good boy. Here.
You get it when I throw it.
Did you not see the feathers just go?
Oh, I
Oosh.
was watching him.
Yep. Bring. No. Bring it to him. Here. Gus, heal. 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 Sit. Hold. Sit. Sit. Drop. Okay, I didn't touch it, so down is safe. I didn't touch it. I didn't.
So we're
That's my boy. That's my boy. Good job. Here. Yeah, right here. Here. Go. Here. Okay. Gus, here. Here. Yep, yep, yep. Get it. It's up. It's getting up. That way. Get it. Oh, he's chasing it. Get it, Gus. All right, Dan, thoughts on that excursion?
You know, first time out at the game farm, success. Had a little bit of operator error on the shotguns, but other than that, good day of hunting birds with Gus.
Yeah. Three
That's
for
a wrap.
six?
Three, well, yeah, 3 for 6.
He found 6 though. So
Yeah, he found them all, but what do you do?
all you can do is try.
That's right.
Good practice.
Get
Right,
out
Gus?
here again.
Sit. Sit. Shake. Good boy. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. That's a wrap.